As usual, before we get into today's video, I need to remind you, not a financial advisor, do your own due diligence, all that good stuff.
Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Yeah. Coincidence. Something that happens by chance, I think not.
What's the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. I hope, of course, you are all well. My name's Damien. Anyone new to the channel, you are very welcome. I've been doing this channel now for about 7 odd months and it's going very, very well. So thank you to everyone that has subscribed while I'm on that. If you're enjoying this video midway through, why don't hit that subscribe button? It really does me a good turn, guys. Appreciate you all. Thank you very much. Today's video is a stock that we have covered many times on this channel. Argo blockchain, and the UK ticker symbol for that is ARB. It is also on the American Stock Exchange, guys, over the counter. And I love this stock, guys, getting straight out there. I'm not messing about. We're going to get straight into this. Why has it tanked so hard? We're going to talk about why I bought more today, and we're going to get horny, guys. Let's go. Okay, so before we get a real deep dive, I just want to bring a couple of news articles that have come out recently since we did the last video. And for anyone new to Argo and that is interested, I'll share the link to the last video and you can actually go back and check out all the different videos. Okay, guys, so the first article I want to bring to your attention is, it says the 12th of July, but it actually came out on the 6th. But this is a bit more detail. London listed Argo blockchain is set to explore secondary listing. Now, this was confirmed in a tweet by Peter Wall, who is the CEO of Argo blockchain, and we'll get through the tweets later, but it is planning to explore a secondary listing on the Nasdaq exchange as it looks to take advantage of the soaring investor interest in the blockchain sector. Don't want to spend too much time on this article, but that's obviously a very good thing, and the word Nasdaq is always exciting to hear your company getting attracted to. It's also been announced, guys, that they've hired a new vice president to take over their Texas facility to help out there, and he's brought their expertise. The guy is called John Esquire. If we can go on to his LinkedIn profile then, guys, you can see here, you know, he's been very busy, director, co-founder. He does have a good education, guys, behind him. University of South California, Masters of Science. He's got a bachelor's degree in the University of Rochester in mechanical engineering. So he's highly educated. He's got a great work experience. Even if we look at the previous co-founder and president of Cenos Corp, if we go to that, guys, what I like about the Cenos Corp thing, this guy has been brought in to engage and bring up the West facility of Texas. Obviously, we've talked about in the previous video the negotiations and issues with China around Bitcoin, and that is a risk. And this guy previously has worked in US-China consulting, and partners provide the clients with project management and consulting services from the manufacturing process of raw materials, logistics, sourcing, and general business. So I like the space that he seems to be in. I'm excited about the hiring of him, and we will see what way this all lands out. But I feel that he's a young, hungry, ambitious guy who's got a bit of a proven track record. The next thing then, guys, we want to talk about is the Argo Tweets. There's been many of them, and these are the ones that I really want to talk about. They mined 167 Bitcoin or equivalent in May. That should be June. They actually did point out that that was an error. The mining revenue was £4.36 million, roughly about $6 million US dollars. At the mining margin, 78%. That is lovely. Bitcoin total mined to date is 883, but at the end of the month they've held 1,268 Bitcoin. And then this is where they go down here and talk about the company's also announced the exploration of potential secondary listing on the Nasdaq, but that's all I want to bring to your attention there. So now that I've got out sort of the more recent news at a high level, I want to talk about why I bought more on the dip today on Argo. This stock has tanked about 50% in 3 months. Unfortunately for me and everybody else maybe on this channel, when I started investing in Argo, it was about 4 or 5 months ago, and unfortunately it was going up, hit its peak, and it has tanked extremely hard. Am I concerned? Am I worried? No. Ultimately, no is the answer. Everyone should know that this is a long hold for me, and it really should be for anyone involved in Argo. But I can understand people's frustrations because it's never nice, especially if you've bought at the top. But I bought at the top, and that's important, why you should dollar cost average and buy the dips. I want to talk about first the risks, guys. I'm trying to be as transparent in this channel. The risks with Argo is very simple. It is very much tied in with Bitcoin, okay? They mine Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin falls in price and value, what is going to happen to Argo? In a simplistic way, they mirror each other. So when Bitcoin's price goes down, Argo's price is going down too. And as everyone should know, unless you live under a rock, the cryptocurrency has taken a bit of a pound in the last 3-4 months. I also own cryptocurrency and all the meme stocks and Dogecoin. I have a wee bit of money in all of them, mostly in Bitcoin and Ethereum to be fair, and they're all down 40-50%. So Argo being down doesn't come as a great surprise to me for that reason. Argo's market cap currently, based on sort of the rough take, it's roughly, as you can see, around 347 million. For talk's sake, it's 350 million pounds market cap. So if we strip it back, they have roughly 1,268 Bitcoin currently. If we, again, working on high figures, roughly say the Bitcoin's current price is 32,500. That means they have roughly 41 million in Bitcoin assets. Okay, now that we talked about in the previous video, the loan that they took out, that needs paid back. So with a market cap of in and around 350 million, the company still at this level, to break hearts guys, would still be at this level seen as an overvalued company. But it's a growth stock, it's for the future. So you need to know the risks. Is Bitcoin going to be here? Is cryptocurrency and Bitcoin going to be here in the future? I will hand on heart believe that is a safe answer of yes, but you need to do your own due diligence. It's not for the faint-hearted. There's a lot of volatility potentially coming, i.e. the issues with China. Everyone's watching that. There's a big clamp down there. The whole energy efficiency stuff, all of that needs to be in your thought process. If you're worried about that at all, stay away from Argo. But for me, as a young investor, I look at this and go, I believe this could be the future, and it is a very long hold. So to me, the risk-reward ratio is better for the reward. This is why I bought more Argo today. I touched on part of the issue, energy efficiency. It's all about Elon Musk's tweet. He said, cryptocurrency is a problem. It uses too much energy. Yeah, Tesla bought a load of Bitcoin. Why did they do that? Because Tesla have the solution, the solar panel, the power walls, all of this. That is the solution, sustainable, renewable energy. The reason I've balls deep, the reason I've jumped in to Argo is because of the sustainable energy facilities. They're always looking for the best equipment and they're doing high investment in all of that area. So to me, Argo is unmatched in its efficiency and output, guys. It has the highest pH to MW, or better case, petahash to megawatts, compared to any other public traded company. And you don't need to really get deep into understanding how Bitcoin is mined, but it is, in simple terms, it is high energy, it takes time, and within that, you're going to eat into your profits. So if you've got low energy consumption or sustainable energy, so you're not paying for that, and you've got the most efficient machines, the best way of being able to procure it, what's ultimately that mean is you're not eating into your profits. Less outgoings means the bigger profit margin. And another thing I like about it is, and this is just my own thoughts, it is the only London Stock Exchange traded company, guys, that deals in crypto mining. Argo has fell about 50% over the last 3 months, give or take. But the competitors and Bitcoin have also done that. If we look at Riot Blockchain, I believe it has fell in and around 45% over the last 3 months. So it's not just an Argo situation. This isn't just Argo's going to the dogs. That's not the case. The sector, Bitcoin, crypto, all that is all going down the toilet at the moment. So that's why you time it right. You're buying the dips. Today, guys, as you can see, it's down 3.19%. You're picking these up for under £1 now, guys. And it has went on a crazy run and it's pulling back. Do I have the answers? Do I know if it's going to continue pulling back? No one knows that, guys. A lot of bulls out there will say crypto, Bitcoin, all that's going to get exciting again around August, September time. Here's hoping, but at the same time, it doesn't bother me. The reason it doesn't bother me is because in 10 years' time, do I see crypto mining, Argo, Bitcoin, all that good stuff being a hell of a lot higher than where it is now, all day and every day. So that's the video, guys. I just wanted to bring it to your attention that I am loving Argo still. I'm balls deep. Hopefully I brought a bit of clarity to people that are maybe going, well, why is Argo down? You know, you need to take a step back, look at the whole sector. It's all gone down the toilet, but you know, I do believe that going forward in the future and at my age, I can take the risk to reward. So hopefully that's clear. I'll keep covering Argo. If you do want to see more videos like Argo, you know, do hit the subscribe button, help me out there. Really, really do appreciate it. You know, I'm not making no money doing this here. I'm doing it for the love and I enjoy it, guys. So thanks very much. And until the next time, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Yeah.
Coincidence.
Something that happens by chance, I think not.